Have you ever wondered how to make a DIY maglev train? Here's a simple way to construct one using common household items. Now I know what you're thinking. Why would I want to make a DIY maglev train? Because the possibilities are endless. You can play with it in your room, for fun. And can someone say science fair blue ribbon? Did I mention fun in your room? So let's get going. First things first, you gotta gather your supplies. You're going to need about 25 feet of copper wire. We used 18 gauge, but 20 gauge will work just as well. 6 super strong magnets. Must be about the same width as your battery. We used disc magnets that were a ½ inch in diameter. 1 or 2 AAA batteries. 6 to 10 medium-sized children's books. The beauty of this project is the choice is yours when it comes to your selection of books, but here are the ones we chose. The Chronicles of Meat by John Patrick Green. Cole, Ninja of Earth by Greg Farshtey. Jedi Academy by Jeffrey Brown. The Littles and the Great Halloween Scare by John Peterson. Big Nate Flips Out. Big Nate on a Roll. Big Nate Makes the Grade by Lincoln Pierce. Geronimo Still and the Secret Agent. A Dog's Purpose by W. Bruce Cameron. Olivia. And Tales of a Sixth Grade Muppet by Kirk Scroggs. Various size Lego pieces. A small side table or stool. 18 to 24 inches in height. And most importantly, a weather vane.
The dowel diameter's got to be small enough for it to work. So, what about this? It's going to be perfect. What do you think?
Oh yeah, that'll work great. Now that you've got all your supplies, it's time to start constructing your maglev train. While it's possible to do this project solo, it's always faster and more fun to have a companion. Okay, find a comfortable room and start the copper wire coiling. While your partner slowly rotates the weather vane, you will tightly coil the wire around the rod. This is fun, and it's a pretty good workout. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're probably still wondering about the books and Lego pieces, a vital component to a successful coil. The books act as a fulcrum to your weather vane coiling while the Lego pieces keep it steady, granted you tape it down effectively. Stack your books on top of the stool and balance the center of the weather vane on top. Then, tape the Lego bricks in the configuration shown in the supply step of the video. Feel free to rewind if you need to check this step out again. Coiling the wire is probably the hardest part. Be careful when removing your copper coils from the weather vane rod. This can be tricky depending on the type of weather vane you use. You're almost ready to launch your new maglev train. Okay, find a flat, smooth surface area and lay out your new track. Try to keep it as straight as possible. Attach 3 of your magnets to each side of your battery. Through extensive trial and error, we've learned the more magnets you add, the faster your maglev train will go. You're almost ready for the magic. Take your train and place it at one end of your copper track. This will be the entrance. Notice the slight magnetic pull. Whoa, science! And let it rip. Look at it go! Now that you've completed and tested your train, enjoy endless hours of play with your new DIY maglev.